Hello, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to illustrate this drawing that I did a few minutes ago. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got my drawing here that I did just a few minutes ago, quick sketch. So I want to illustrate something like this using Illustrator here. So let's get started. So this can be my original, and what I'm going to do is we need clouds. Let's get the layers first. Clouds. I wrote layers down. Clouds. I can see a sun there. What else? Trees. Flower. And a house building. Cancel this. Hills. And sky. So let's go down here, original, let's close the eye and then lock it. Okay, that's fine. Oh, we could just do that. No, let's leave it here. Okay, so now we've got all our layers, and let's get started on the illustration. Okay, so let's start off with the sky. The sky can be the background. So let's go for a nice sky, minus, command minus or control minus to zoom out, or you can use a magnifying glass here. Okay, so let's go for a square. It's got no color here, well it's got white there, but we'll change that. Okay, so then we'll go to our swatches, open swatch library. Let's go to nature. What else can we use? Gradients, beach, flowers, foliage, landscape. Let's go to landscape. Let's see what we've got there. That's better. Yeah. Nice blue. No. Let's go for a nice blue. Nice bright blue. Okay, brilliant. So that can be our sky. Let's lock it. Sky's done. Next, let's go for trees. Which is a nice green. That's better. Layers. Always check your layers. Okay, so here we are. That can be a tree. Different brush. Join up. Select it. Always select. If you want to change anything, always select it. Like this, or right click, arrange, bring to front, or like this. And then we can have a little hole, I suppose, like they do in the cartoons. Okay. Click, 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 right click, group. There you have it. That's one tree. Command C, Command V. Let's get rid of this dot. That's the trees done. Okay, next is let's do the hills. So let's bring that to the top. The hills. Like more like mountains. So you can just go outside if you want. It's fine. Yeah. Nice green. Might be a bit too green there. Let's see. So everything outside of the bounding box would not get printed, so that's fine. But what we can do is we can close it in. Close it in. Let's move this here. Close it in. So go for here. That's fine. This little bit here. Delete. Okay, so we've got the trees, hills, and the sky there. I think these hills might be a bit too large there. Let's take it down a bit because we want to add the clouds. So we've got the clouds now. Let's see. So hills done, lock, trees done, lock. Okay, so let's go for white. That can be our cloud here. 1, 2, 3. Group it, Command G or Control G, or right click, and then you have group. And if you want to ungroup it, same thing. Okay, Alt button. Yeah. There's the layers again. Here's my layers. So clouds done. Okay, next can be, let's house, flower, sun. Okay, so sun. Let's create the sun. Big yellow sun. And go to Effect, Stylize, Add to Glow. It's a nice little glow there. That's fine. And what we want to do is let's add the sun's rays. I mean, does it have to be perfect? So click, 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 click. Make sure you're clicking on all of them. Or what you can do is, because they're all locked, Command G. So then if we decide to animate it, you can just rotate it. Okay, alright, that's the sun done. Lock. So now we have the house and the flower. So the flower can be, I don't know, big sunflower or something. Flower here, let's take it right to the top. Yeah, and let's create the petals. Go for small, tiny petals. Hold down the Alt key. I'm just going to rotate it. Rotate it. So what we can do is hold down Alt, got quite a few there. So now what I'm going to do is just, it's the way I created it. Should I just use a pen tool instead? Command G. Command G. Command G. Command G. Command G. Command G. Now these will be okay. So all you got to do is just place them. Hold down Alt. There you go. There you go. That's my sunflower there. Alt. Need a few more there. There you go. Almost there. Ooh. There you have it. Cool, that was a mission. Okay, there you go. Command G. Now, the sunflower is taller than the trees. Okay, so let's create another one. One here. One here. Okay, so now let's illustrate the stalks. There you go. There you go. A bit brown. Let's go for a nice. Oops, you gotta select it. Always remember you gotta select it. Okay, bring these forward. Arrange, bring to front. Now this one, bring to front. That's better. Arrange, bring to front. And now let's draw the leaves. Let's use a pen tool now. So much easier. There you go. That's the pen tool here. There you have it. That's the sunflower. Group it. Group it. Grab these. Is there space for a house? Yeah, I suppose we can just draw one with the brush tool. Where is black? Actually, let's have a brown wooden house in the middle of my tag layers. There. Okay, where's the house? Here's the house. Last but not least, the house. Do we need a house? Let's make a house here. There you go. House with no doors. Nice cut too. Really big door. Okay, mind the step. Okay, no, it's fine. No need to mind the step. Okay, where's the triangle? Let's go for here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go for brown. Let's put the house into the distance. Group it so it looks really far away. Otherwise, these flowers are taller than the house. Okay, lock it. Boom, that's done. I think that's about everything. Yep. So now let's go to flower. It's locked. Come over here. Come over here. Okay, so that's my illustration of a beautiful countryside using Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching and see you next time.